Floral Design Institute, I'm always on the hunt for something new. Today, I stumbled upon lion's mane, one of my favorite summer surprise flowers. Let me show you how to work with it. The materials and mechanics, of course, I have to start with the sunshine yellow peonies, then finding a perfect vessel, but I want a little more control of the stems. So just tucking in, tiny bit of floral netting, then add water, pre-mixed with flower food, and we're ready to design. First step, just a little bit of foliage to start establishing a nest for your materials, some ruscus, maybe a little bit of salal, using Leanne's rule of must have 3 foliages to make it interesting. Maybe adding in a fatsia leaf for the 3rd, tucking it. And then to create the lines in the design, going to Jerusalem sage. It's a beautiful, unique flower that's much better if you remove the foliage. Because that way you can see the beautiful curvaceous line and those lovely flowers. So just go through pruning it, cleaning it up, then give it a cut and tuck it in to establish the line of the arrangement. You can see how gorgeous it is as it comes upward. Going back, again, removing the leaves. I'm going to leave the little bit at the top because that's so interesting. And then tucking it in, reinforcing the original line. With the lines established and a foliage nest, tucking in the emphasis is next. And the peonies are so large, so fabulous. You want to use them very low so that they pull the eye into that focal emphasis and visually anchor everything. You don't want it just in the front, like a headlight, so taking a second and adding it to the back. To finish, you want to think about texture, a little bit of contrast, creating interest. Craspedia, billy balls, tucked in near the peonies, but a little bit taller, so they draw your eye upward. Some sea oats, nice and drapey, so fun. You can sort of hear them rattle, which is grand. Biting it out. And then just taking and placing it in so it drapes. Gives a little bit of extension. And then to extend the opposite side, some beautiful variegated lily grass or ribbon grass, letting it drape outward. And lastly, once you have everything in place, going back with one more of the lion's mane and adding height. The recipe, 2 of the fabulous peonies, 3 Jerusalem sage, lion's mane, 10 craspedia, 10 of the sea oats, and 10 of the ribbon lily grass, then 1 fatsia leaf, a little bit of salal, and a little bit of ruscus. One of the joys of being a florist is the seasonal surprises, the treasures you stumble upon. Yellow peonies, lion's mane, they just make you smile. Add that sunshine yellow, amazing. You'll find more unique varieties on our website, flowerschool.com. But now it's your turn. Go out on the hunt. Find something new that you've never used before. Create a design, take a picture, post it on social media, and hashtag Floral Design Institute. That way we all can see what you do as you do something you love.